What do you want to say to everybody? So it's another day. We got about half of the floor done and we ran out of... All right, that's enough. We ran out of glue and screws to finish it up, so me and Jeanette are gonna run to
What is that gonna be?
the store, pick that stuff up, and then we're gonna come back
Hello.
and finish this up. You wanna finish the floor on the bus?
Yeah.
Yeah? Awesome. And here in Tennessee, it's getting warm. It's starting to feel like spring out. The trees are blooming. I'm starting to not trust the trees anymore.
Why?
Because they're shady. Can you bring me back a pencil? Yeah, it's gonna go like this. I don't know, because of the ridge. It's not gonna clear that. I guess we can't put it in one piece. That sucks. I thought we could put it in one piece. See, when I was putting these in, the insulation is pliable, so you can bend it to get around this lip here. But that's not.
Okay, carry it back out.
Carry it back out.
Back here. Going back. And you going back. Oh, they're just going on the porch. And then,
I still don't like the way it looks. It's not gonna be the prettiest subfloor job. I'm gonna carry it up the ladder. I just need you to hold it from the bottom. First window.
Sweet.
You like it?
No. I think
You
we
want to
should.
go with a different size?
Yeah, we should do something else.
Do something like smaller in this spot? I bet you all the money in the world it fits the first truck.
All the money in the world.
All the money in the world. I owe you a lot of money. They're definitely not brand new windows by any means. But they look good in there. It's never big enough. That's what she said. Bar for the kids. Gonna put a window right there for the sink, right? Window right here for the sink. Bathroom window, one of those two. Bedroom window. And just gotta, still gotta fill this in with metal. Frame out this window so it's actually solid and structural. Cause I had to cut a hat channel right there. Fit that window in. But we'll go to the metal yard soon and get some metal. You like the window?
Love it.
Love it?